As millions of people get ready to gather over the Thanksgiving holiday, we're getting a new sobering forecast about the pandemic. The CDC predicts thousands more Americans will die from COVID in the coming weeks, and by mid-December, the U.S. will hit 800,000 deaths from the pandemic. Public health experts are getting worried about what they're seeing. The number of new infections, hospitalizations, and deaths are all climbing. And Ariel, that's before millions of Americans start getting on planes and getting together in these big family gatherings.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And I know that everybody's plans are pretty much set already for Thanksgiving. But if you're curious what COVID is like wherever you're going to spend your holiday, the CDC has this online tool that basically you can look at transmission rates across the country. Red represents high transmission. Yellow and blue show some of the lower rates. And you do notice there is a lot of red on that map. So let's say you are going somewhere where COVID transmission is high. When you come back home here to the Lone Star State, you might decide you want to get tested. So to help you plan ahead, let's talk about some of those at-home COVID tests because the demand for these really high right now with all the holidays coming up. So Binax Now and QuickVue, those are some of the brands that you could go with. I did call a few grocery stores in the area today. Some places had tests. Others were sold out already. So you might also check CVS and Walgreens. Tests are available at some of the locations I called today. And these tests, just a heads up, they're going to cost you between 20 to 30 bucks. Now, I also saw them on Amazon, those at-home tests. They've got a couple of brands here, but some of the brands, they're not going to ship for a while. So you might want to plan ahead, think about ordering now if you know you're going to need them later. Now, there is one specific brand of at-home test that I want to talk quickly about, and that's Ellume. And that's because earlier this month, the FDA announced around 2 million at-home Ellume tests have been recalled due to a manufacturing issue. Basically, they have the potential to give false positive test results. So if you already bought one of these tests, I put more information on our website so you can check to see if your test is one of the ones that was affected. And finally, if you decide that you want to get a COVID vaccine, just a reminder, the vaccines are free. Many places are closed tomorrow for the holiday, but I did see some CVS locations that still have appointments available for this Friday. Chris and Izzy.